Hey, value traders, do you know why the US dollar fell last week? Value Trades. I'm Brad Alexander, and in this week's Market Blast Fundamentals, let's take a look at the Nikkei, Kiwi dollar, pound dollar, euro dollar, and the US dollar index. We will look at the US dollar pairs in a minute, but we can see a big fall in the US dollar index last week. Everyone was waiting for the US Consumer Price Index figures to get the best reading on inflation, and the number came out much better than expected. This was good news for everyone, from the US Federal Reserve to emerging markets in US dollar debt to investors and to consumers, as the Fed may be able to slow down its interest rate rises. This week, everyone will be watching the Wednesday's FOMC meeting for information on the Fed's upcoming monetary policy. The US dollar has since recovered, and it looks like a good technical opportunity might be happening. This can be said as well of euro dollar, which rose and fell back to this lower trend line, and the same with pound dollar, which rose and fell back to support at $1.21. Kiwi dollar had the biggest jump in price action, and the reason is that we expect the Reserve Bank of New Zealand to raise interest rates to 3% on Wednesday. We had some good news from Japan with positive GDP numbers this morning, and we will be watching employment figures from the European Union and Australia. Also, retail sales from the US, the UK, and Canada will give investors a good idea of economic activity, so keep an eye on those currencies respectively. Overall, the New Zealand dollar is our strongest looking currency. The good news on gross domestic product in Japan has sent the Nikkei higher, and we have to look at the weekly chart to see the all-time highs from last year. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Value Trade Signals, and the link will be in this video's description below. Also, subscribe to our YouTube channel and register on the Value Trades website to get notifications on new content as it happens. That's all for now. Happy trading with Value Trades, and we will see you next time. CFDs and FX are leveraged products, and your capital may be at risk.